Ozzy Bosco speaks on combining music and school.
Everybody, let's go dance to
Popular 9-year-old singer Ozzy Bosco is one of the few prominent kid artists in Nigeria who have featured quite a number of A-list artists on his songs such as Flavor, MI, Olamide, Terry G, Sound Sultan, MC Galaxy to mention a few. Ozzy was recently at Hip TV's studio to talk about his upcoming projects, including his newly acquired multi-purpose studio in Lagos.
I have 2 songs that are coming up soon. One is titled Query, featuring Uncle MC Galaxy. Uncle, do you know Uncle MC Galaxy is the king of the new dance in Africa? And I'm the youngest African entertainer. Oh, just wait till you see 2 of us on stage. It'll be a blast. It'll be awesome. Everyone will love it. And my other song, Chale, featuring Uncle Vector and Uncle Rugged Man. Do you know Uncle Vector and Uncle Rugged Man are hot, great rappers? And it's going to be awesome when you just hear it. The rap is awesome. It talks about me. It talks about good people. And it's just awesome. I have an Ozzybee multi-purpose studio. Inside, it has audio recording studio, a chroma, and dance recording. It's awesome.
Ozzy Bosco, who rose to fame after winning the season 7 of the Nigerian Kids Got Talent Hunt, further told Hip TV how he merges his music career and schooling.
I am able to handle both because I work hard at school and I take my music career very seriously. No jokes, very serious.
The kid star also spoke about his latest music video, Smile Again, which was dedicated to the internally displaced children in the northern part of Nigeria.
It was awesome. I was happy. I was thanking my mom because she's the one that paid for the video, and it was like a dream come true for me, I can say.